Hi everyone, Jay here with jaysonlinereviews.com. Welcome to my Rank IQ. This is going to be a little quick tutorial where I'm going to show you all the niches for bloggers inside the Rank IQ software, the platform for members. And you can see I'm a member right here. And I'm going to go through some of the niches, scroll down, and show you all the niches. If you want to see my Rank IQ review, my full review along with the video, click the link below in the video description box. It's going to be a complete Rank IQ review with the video where I break this down in its entirety and show you how Rank IQ works from start to finish. With that being said, let me dive in here. This is the keyword research library for Rank IQ. And there is a lot. What it does basically, there's millions of potential keywords that you can rank for that have low competition. And it's ranked from like a 0 to in the 30s. So the lower the better. So if you see one with and it's ranked by how fast you can rank in Google for each keyword term. There's average, fast, very fast, and ultra fast. So you want to look for something with a lower number that you can rank. I would say between average and ultra fast being obviously the best one you're going to want to shoot for. So like I said, millions of keywords. They're all easy to rank for. The lower the number, the more easier it is for you as a blogger to be able to rank for those specific keyword terms. And I'll show you that in 1 second here. But these are all the niches. Right here, you got air miles, loyalty, anime. Even got adult party ideas, arts and crafts, balloons, arts and crafts. As you can see, I'm scrolling down. You can see it on this video. There's a ton in arts and crafts. And you got automobile, beekeeping, binoculars, blogging, bodyguard books, business automation, business customers, business Excel, business Google business profile, packaging, productivity, business eBay, business entrepreneur, business social media, business software. You got careers. You even got religious ones covering the Christian religion, cigar, collectibles, college, coloring pages, computers, crafts, cybersecurity, do-it-yourself, DJ, decor. And I'm going to keep scrolling down here. I don't want to read off every single one of these, but you can see for yourself all the categories. I'll go kind of slow. Farming, fashion. There's a ton on fashion, fitness, a ton. If you're a food blogger, you're going to be in heaven with this software. You got food appetizers, food baked desserts, food bars, food beef, food everything. There's a ton, as you can see, of food categories. I mean, a ton. So if you're a food blogger, it's almost, I would say, buy this ASAP because it's going to show you, it's going to save you a ton of time. You don't have to, I recommend getting a keyword research tool software just to have it. I recommend Longtail Pro. I do a review of that. It's cheap, but you don't have to have it. You can just use this basically because what he does, he's doing. Brandon Gailey is a creator of this software. His blogs receive millions of visitors on a monthly basis, and that's strictly from the search engine. So he's an SEO expert. And what this software does, he's doing all the keyword research and doing all these niches. He's finding all these lucrative long tail keywords that you can rank for where there's little to no competition. So you don't have to go out there and find these keywords. He's doing all the work for you. It's really an awesome deal, and it's going to save you a lot of time, energy, and money, and all that good stuff because you're not going to be writing on topics that are too hard to rank. You're never going to rank for and wasting your time. You'll know that these are all easy to rank for, what to do to rank for each one of these keywords. It'll break it down what you need to do, what keywords to put into your content, and all that good stuff. And you'll see more of that in my full review. So like I said, check that link below the video description box or in this video. Upper right-hand corner itself, you can check out the full review where I dive into that more. Let's keep going down here. Gaming, gardening. You got hair, health, all kinds of health categories. Homeschooling. You got horses. Mom categories. Nutrition. Outdoors, tons of categories in the outdoors, over 30 lifestyle, over 40 lifestyle, over 50 lifestyle, parenting, patriotism, personal finance. There's literally everything. Or pretty close to it. He's covered a ton of niches. Travel, there's a lot on travel. So if you have a travel blog, you're going to like this. Weddings, window film, and that's it for right now. But these are all the categories. And like I said, there's literally millions of keywords that are low competition, easy to rank for, that you can use for your own business. If you run a blog, this is an excellent, excellent tool. It's going to save you a lot of time, energy, and frustration. And if you keep persistent on, posting to your blog once or twice a week, it's going to bring you in a lot of traffic, and down the road, going to make you a lot of money. Where you can monetize your blog, do affiliate marketing, sell ads on your blog, all that kind of stuff. Apply for Mediavine or one of those, big networks once you get the traffic built up. But excellent tool. Another good thing about this before I end this video is if your niche is not inside the Rankiq software, if you're a paying member, you're going to get access to Brandon Gailey's Facebook group, where you can actually talk to him and ask questions. If you have a question about the software or whatever it is you want to ask, you're going to be able to talk with other people that are users of the software. And if your niche is not in here, all you got to do is send him a message, and he's going to do the keyword research for you and add that niche to the software. And it'll keep growing and growing as time goes on. But like I said, there's a ton right now, but it's just going to keep getting better and better as time goes on. And like I said, if your niche is not there, sign up for one of the plans. Go to the Facebook group. Ask him to ask Brandon to add the whatever niche that you're interested in, and he'll get to work and start adding that niche for you to the software. So everybody will be covered. So with that being said, that's all the niches. Awesome, awesome tool. Come over and check out my review on my blog, where I break it down a little further. I show you what everything means, how to use the software, and all that good stuff. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.